Unfortunately, this glass has broken. That's probably happened to you a few times too. You know to be careful when you're picking up glass, but do you know how to get up all the tiny little shards that are like powder? I'll show you a simple trick. You get some nice wide tape, like duct tape, then you'll be able to pick up all of those little pieces very quickly without getting it lodged into your skin. I've heard you can do a piece of bread to do this as well, but I don't like that because it's a food item, even though you may be throwing it away. Tape is always handy, something you always have on hand, and when you're done, you can definitely see some sparkles in there of pieces of glass that you would have missed, even if you had swept it with a broom perhaps, if your surface isn't nice and smooth like this one. And then I usually take a fresh piece of tape at the end to go over everything again. Flashlight can help highlight any little reflections like this one here. There's a tiny little piece. We don't want to lose that into somebody's sock, so we're gonna just go over this whole area again, just to be sure. So when you have broken glass, you can use a broom, but you do have to be cautious that tiny little pieces can get flung as you're sweeping into far places in the room or the corners of the counter that you weren't intending them to be. So if you pick up the larger pieces, what you're able to with your hand, and then just use the tape to clean up, you know that it's all contained to the same area as where it broke.